Notion has released their calendar app, and in today's video, we will go over how to integrate Google Calendar to access all of your events in one place. First, go to Notion Calendar website and register for the app. We will need to connect a Google account to utilize this integration. Once you are signed in, go to the menu on the right and click on Connect. Your Google Calendar should now be connected. If it's not, click on Connect under Add a Google Calendar account. Sign into your account again and allow all permissions to continue. You should see all of your events and tasks from your Google Calendar automatically port over. Since I didn't already create event and tasks, nothing shows up. To test out this integration, I'm going to navigate to the Google Calendar and create an event. I'm going to call this Lunch with Brian. Confirm the event and then go back to the Notion calendar. And as you can see, the event has been automatically imported. And that brings us to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Check out the Zesty Temp store page in the description and follow the Twitter for updates on the latest product releases. If you would like to support the channel further, use the referral link in the description. Have a great day or night. Goodbye for now.